Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a super delicious sweet badam halwa using almond flour. Badam halwa in the instant pot is quick and hassle-free to make. Badam halwa is a classic Indian sweet made with grounded almonds, sugar, ghee, cardamom and saffron. It is extremely rich, delicious and colorful. Badam halwa is quite popular in South India. Almond halwa is considered to be a very special dessert and is prepared during special occasions. Traditionally, it was made by soaking almonds in water, then peeled and ground it into a slightly coarse paste and cook it along with ghee and sugar. It's a time-taking process. To make it quick and easy, I'm using almond flour to make this delicious badam ki halwa. You can use store-bought almond flour, but I'm using homemade almond flour to make this delicious almond pudding. You can make this almond halwa completely vegan. I'm gonna share some tips and variations to make it as a vegan. Stay with me till the end. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make badam halwa in the instant pot using almond flour. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Turn on the saute mode. Once the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also add 1 tablespoon of ghee instead. I'm using homemade ghee. I have given the recipe link for how to make perfect ghee in the instant pot in the description box below. Please do check it. You can use the store-bought almond flour, or if you want to make your own, please check the recipe link in the description box below or check the playlist in the end. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 cup of homemade almond flour. Natural sweet and nutty almond flour or almond meal forms the foundation of this rich dessert. Saute it for 2 minutes. Cancel the saute mode. Add 3/4 cup of cane sugar. If you want less sweet, add half cup of sugar instead. Adjust the sugar level as per your taste. Add saffron strands. Saffron provide a beautiful floral aroma and a vibrant yellow color to this halwa. Add a pinch of salt. This will enhance the taste of the sweet. Add milk of your choice. I'm adding homemade almond milk for a creamy and silky smooth texture. I have given the recipe link for how to make almond milk at home in the description box below. Please do check it. Whisk well to prevent any lumps. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Pressure cook for 0 minutes on high pressure. Once the instant pot is done cooking, do a quick release. Open the lid carefully. Mix it well. Don't panic. Now it will be water-like consistency. To thicken it, select the saute mode. Reduce the liquid and stir in between to avoid burnt bottom. You can also saute in low mode. Add a pinch of cardamom powder and give it a quick mix. It takes 5 to 10 minutes for the halwa to reduce to a pudding-like consistency. This time can vary depending on the quantity of halwa and the size of your pot. A larger surface area will reduce the halwa faster. This is a perfect consistency. Cancel the saute mode. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Give it a quick mix. It will continue to thicken while it cools too. Look at this, the bottom is clear, no burnt bottom. Look at the perfect halwa texture. Super delicious almond halwa in the instant pot is ready. It's super easy and hassle-free to make. It will be good for 3 days at room temperature and stays good for a week in the refrigerator. Let's see the variations to make this halwa vegan and dairy free. You can make this Kesar Badam Halwa dairy free by replacing 2 ingredients in this recipe. Add any clear oil instead of butter or ghee. Add unsweetened plain almond milk instead of regular milk. This also makes the Badam Halwa recipe vegan. You can use the cane sugar, jaggery powder, coconut sugar, date sugar or other unrefined sugar of your choice. You can use blanched almond flour or almond meal to make this Badam Halwa. Do try this delicious sweet Badam Halwa for this Diwali festival and spread the joy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.